So once again, good mornings to all of you. So this is video number 7 related to important questions to be asked in exams, unit numbers 5. So in that question number 3, product and process layout part already in last video I have given. Now we'll discuss about the fixed position or static layout and cellulars or group technology layout. So fixed position or static layout, that means that position is fixed, means materials, equipments that is fixed at one place because of the problem of material handling, maybe big or heavy materials, and man and machines that will move around that materials or equipments, so that whatever the process is necessary to manufacture that given product, that will be get complete, and after that we will make this product ready for dispatching. So this is the concept of fixed layout or static layout. Fixed layout or static layout means material and equipment that is fixed, and man and machines will move around this to manufacture this product. Because of the heavy materials, heavy equipment, this type of layout is very important. Now, what are the examples of this type of layout? Manufacturing of heavy machinery. This is the first example. For example, manufacturing of VMC, CNC machine, we require this type of layout. Next, that is hydroelectric turbines. To manufacture hydroelectric turbines, we require this type of layout, means all material and equipment should be at one place, and man and machines will move around this to manufacture these hydroelectric turbines. Next, turbo generators. For this also we require fixed layout. Most popular example, ship building, army ship, navy ship, or the big tank also we required this type of layout. Then locomotive industry, whenever a big product is there, then we require this fixed position layout. Now, what are the advantages of this fixed position layout? So first advantage is this process is flexible, low labor cost is there, saving in times, simple for production planning and control, elimination of handling of major structure. So these are the advantages of fixed position or static layout. Disadvantages. So here high initial capital investment is required, unsuitable for manufacturing of small variety components, and quantity is large. High skill labor is required, and high production cost is there. So these are the disadvantages of fixed position layout or static layout. Now next, that is cellulars or group technology layout. Here this is suitable for large variety of product in small volumes, means quantity is less and variety is more. For example, washer is there, ID/OD of that washer is different as per the use. So here quantity is small, but the ID/OD is very different. So under these positions we can make this type of layout, in which machines are grouped as per the designs and operations. For example, one more example is there, heat treatments. Now nearly about 80 to 90% product we require the heat treatments. So we can set a separate heat treatment. It contain all types of furnace, heat treatment furnace, tempering furnace, quenching oils, and the equipments required for testing hardness, case depth checking, ultrasonic. So all these things should be in the heat treatment shop. This is the one example of cellulars or group technology. Now what are the advantages? First advantages, here less material handling cost is there. This is only used for special purpose like heat treatments, washers manufacturing, and here rate of production that is moderate, and requirement of labor that is multi-skill labors is requirement. Disadvantages, so for this type of layout initial cost is very high, difficult to change, less flexibility is there, and it is very difficulty for production planning and control. This is about cellulars or group technology. So already we have completed question number 3. It contains the product layout, process layout, then fixed and static layout, and last one is cellulars or group technology. So one of the questions must be there out of these 4, maybe difference or write a short notes. So this is about the today's video. Thank you.